So how can you get it and start using the journal on iPhone? And let's get started. If you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, I recommend you to check out the rest of the videos and subscribe because you don't want to miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you do not see your journal app, like at first go to the app library and just look it up like this. But if you do not see it, then just go to the App Store and you need to look it up into the search. So if you deleted the app, you can retrieve it back through the App Store. You can see even the Apple apps are available in here. So you can open it up and start using it. You don't have to like sign in on it or anything like that. It's an Apple application. So in here, you can now do whatever you need basically, right? So you can just go to your journals, tap on the plus button and start a new entry. The entry contains of a title and the body of the text. You also have the ability to add like a photo into it or location or so many different things which could like make the memories or journal entries much more vivid, right? So a lot of people just added the location if they travel a lot, right? So you wouldn't know later where exactly you wrote it, or you can capture a photo of what's going on, or just, have the click on the pen icon and draw something, whatever, just to make sure you personalize your journal entries. But then you can see that you have them all labeled in here. It's all attached to a certain date, so you can browse back in time and see and read your thoughts. Of course, you can use the search button at the top to look through them if you have plenty of them. And also don't forget to utilize the insights section where you can see that how many entries you have had. You can go through the calendar, see your streak for how many days in a row you've been journaling and the amount of words you put down. So it's all very useful, right? Because you get to see exactly your like sort of performance, I guess, for the journaling, right? So let me know if you like this type of application. It's free to use, of course. It's from Apple. So yeah, let me know what you think below. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.